it's your girl Cammy back at it again with another video, and this one's gonna be a really quick tutorial on how you can get a really cute braid pony. This one is kind of already like halfway made, and I'm actually like, as you see, full face, full beat down. I'm clearly going somewhere, so this is gonna be really quick. It is from a different angle, so we're just gonna get into it like right now. Let's just get started. So first you're gonna start with it. First, this is the step that I skipped just because like I said, I have somewhere to go. But I didn't even need to film it really. You're just gonna put your hair in a really small bun. Some people braid their hair with the braiding hair. I have extremely thick hair, so that wasn't rocking. No, that was not about to happen. So now what you're gonna do is like I said, mine is kind of pre-made already. So you're just gonna section off where you want. I hope you guys can see this, but I hope you can see this in the mirror. But you're gonna section off 3 sections, and you're just gonna braid like how you normally would like braid your own hair, basically. Oh, don't do that. Okay. So I'm just gonna braid. Let me see. And I have it flipped on the opposite side of the side that it's going to lay on. You're gonna braid kind of loosely because me personally, I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. That's just, if you want a tighter braid, braid tighter. But for me and the braid that I want, I'm gonna braid a little looser just because that's just what I'm going for today. Also, because when you pull it loose, it just looks better. You know, like a very Beyonce upgrade you vibe. That's the vibe that we're going for. So like keep that inspo, keep that thought in your head, because that's exactly what I'm doing right now when I'm braiding this right now. I'm like, okay, I am Beyonce. I am upgrade you, tease, honey. And this is 2 packs of hair. I tried to film this tutorial so many times, but it just never worked out. Another thing about this is, well, they're not curly right now. Actually, I may have to redo them. Ain't nobody got time for that, actually. But the ends are kind of curly or textured. Well, they're not curly right now, they're textured. But you just do those, cover your ends like in the perm rods. Roll, I've used like 3. I rolled those in the perm rods, and then I just put it in hot water. You know how the Africans do? Okay, so now what you're gonna do is take this and like flip it to the side that you want it to go on. And this is where you're gonna kind of this is where you're kind of gonna separate and loosen it up, those pieces that I was talking about earlier, and like really get into it. Like don't do too, like I'm taking one side, 1, 2, and going like that, 1, 2, and going like that, 1, 2, and going like that. Just so, because it also has to cover, like, I don't know about y'all, but I have this big ass bun at the top. It's not even big, it's just not like unnoticeable. Like it's not like, it's just not sitting right there. So this is the key part right here. You're gonna basically just stretch, like you see how I just stretched that over? You're just basically gonna take it and stretch it over. And take your bobby pins. It's better to do it in the middle of the braid just because there's so much more hair there. Ooh, pardon my little pit stain, excuse me. But okay, so yeah, you're just gonna take that, now that you've stretched it over, and just bobby pin it where you feel safe. Like that's the thing, you don't want this moving. You don't want to be cute, thinking you cute in a party, and your braid on this side, and like everything just looking a mess. Like you just really secure it with a couple more bobby pins. Just to, you just really want to make sure like this isn't going anywhere, because that would be tragic, honey. That's not cute. Okay, so now this is the part where you just kind of make it your own. Like I said, you can curl the ends. I'm not gonna redo my ends right now just because, like I said, I got somewhere to go. So like I'm about to use this like gold ribbon. It was like $1 or something at the beauty supply store. Yeah, they're pretty cheap. They have seashells. If you're feeling aquatic, get you with some seashells. You know, they have tons of stuff. Like they have lots of stuff in the beauty supply. But I'm just gonna take this and just do what it do. Do me a little hair design. And yeah, that's really all to the tutorial. It's super easy. I always used to wonder like, oh, like how do girls do that? And I did watch somebody's tutorial like before mine just to see like, okay, let me make sure I'm doing this right, or let me make sure I have the idea of what I'm doing is correct. So I'm gonna link hers in the description box below as well. But yeah, I'm just about to cover, well, at least attempt to cover this hairband, because I did braid it and tie it with a hairband at the end. So I'm just kind of weeding this around that. Okay. But yeah, so this is the final look. My little upbraiding pony, okay? Beyonce vibes, very Beyonce vibes. Alright, so I'm glad you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but I know you did. If you came back and you watched all my videos, I know you enjoyed my videos. But subscribe to your girl Brown Barbie, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You see I'm being more consistent. You see your girl's uploading again, okay? And I'll be back next week with another hair video if you want. Let me know. My makeup looks really nice actually today. Let me know if you guys want me to do any more makeup videos. I definitely do both. I definitely do both hair and I definitely do makeup. So I'm trying to do a nice little balance of the both of them. Alright, subscribe to your girl Brown Barbie. Love you guys. Mwah.